This simulation shows you how to make a molecular molecule. As you can see here, I've already made water, and when you're done putting a molecule together, it shows you where to drag that molecule. So you can drag it over here, and it gives you a whole collection of molecules to make, and you can make them by the kits it gives you down here. And as I'll show you now, you can't just place the atoms just anywhere on the screen. You have to be aware of somewhere, where they have to go. So once you place them somewhat near together, it'll create the molecule, and then you can place it in the box that it's designated to go. So you can do that for all of these. And as you can see, it places the name of the molecule right above it, and it also gives you this 3D option where it shows you it in this form, and you can also choose a ball and stick form where it will show you the bonding, whether it's a single, double, or triple bond. So I'm just going to go through and show you. They have all of these features, and once you're through with collecting all of these, it tells you that you completed your collection and you can move on to the next collection. So it's kind of fun. It makes it like a game, and as you can see over here, they give you different molecules each time to collect, and you get to play with some different atoms. Like over here you have silicon now, and chlorine, and boron, and it also shows you the size ratio, which I really like and I think is very cool and educating. Chlorine is much bigger than hydrogen, as you can see here. It also shows the bonding, as I showed you here in the 3D from looking at the ball and stick view, whether it's single, double, or triple. And obviously the symmetry, you can't just place it anywhere. So once you're done doing all of that, you can go up here and collect multiple molecules in the same mechanism, and over here you can collect larger molecules. They give you a lot of hydrogen, so you can make really long chains. They have multiple kits down here, so you can just play around with it and do a lot of cool stuff. And they get all the way up to silicon is the biggest, so you could just make all kinds of really big molecules and just play around with that. And even if you don't really know what to do, you can just kind of start putting things together like so, and just put things together like this. And so I like that it shows what can and cannot be bonded together like this. Like if something's not supposed to be bonded together, it'll kind of refract away like this. It's not supposed to be bonded there, so it won't go there. But if it is, it will onto it, like so. So it'll give the name at the top, and you can also look at the 3D image of that. So operating the simulation, as you can see, is very easy and straightforward, and I think the simulation does a good job of showing the symmetry, the atom size ratio, as well as the bonding, like I've showed here.